So before we get started, let me show you what these look like when you're finished. They're pretty cool. They're origami little boxes, and they're hung on a string with a little decorative tab of colorful paper below to keep them in place on the string. And you can make them as a multiple piece string as well. So this one's made with, I think, 6 boxes. And you can hang these vertically like you saw there, or you can hang them on your tree if you want to do kind of a more of a kind of drapey garland. Hang them on your mantelpiece, whatever you think.
And this is a little tricky. We want to go all the way out and then come back in and then open it up inside like that and tuck it right in. So then I'm going to bring it